Alright, we're at Soave Faire, and we just got a new line for young artists from the ages 3 and up, and I want to show you some of the products. So first thing I have is a paper airplane squadron. So this is for ages from 6 to 96, as it says on the box. I'm not just saying that. This comes with 20 sheets of double-sided paper that have designs on them, and some stickers to design the paper airplanes themselves. This would be awesome for Christmas morning, making some paper airplanes together. It comes with instructions to make the different types of paper airplanes. And yeah, this is just fun all around. And
how do you pronounce the company's name?
Faber Castell.
Okay.
Yeah, we have, it's the line Creativity for Kids from Faber Castell. And that's what this whole line is that I'm showing you. We just got an order in from them. And next up we have a beginner plant set. This is Plant a Kitty. It comes with a kitty planter, some stickers to decorate your kitty, some dirt and chia seeds, and it even comes with a pop-out kitty bed to rest your kitty on. This is an awesome plant starter for a child if they're looking at your garden and wanting to start their own. This is an Easy Sparkle window art set. It comes with 2 foam foil designs that you just paint in. They're transparent, so when you put them on your window, the light just goes straight through them, making it sparkly and glittery and pretty. This is awesome to put around your plants because it just gives it that nice little pop of color around that green.
Ages for that one?
This is from 6 to 96 as well. Sorry if you're 97, you just can't do it. Coming up next, we have a couple of bracelet sets. So we have a mermaid set, a rainbow set, and a unicorn set. These are really cool. It makes up to 40 bracelets. It comes with 10 yards of gel cord, which is like that stretchy cord. Awesome for friendship bracelets. It comes with like some letter beads and then just some other beads that have to do with the set that it comes with. So like this has shell beads and tail beads. Super cute. And this is for 6 and up. And then we have these 2 sets for friendship bracelets. We have Friends Forever bracelets. They come with a couple of charms. There's instructions included inside on how to actually make the bracelets and attach the charms. Very easy. This makes up to 6 bracelets. And the ages on this is 7 to 97. So if you're 97, you can do this one. Sorry if you're 98. So this one's fun. A skill you can take with you forever. I know how to make these bracelets, and I also still know how to make these bracelets. This one is super cool. There's no charms that come with this one, but there's instructions on how to use the pieces it comes with. So this is actually how you make the bracelet. It comes with all these different designs. You can continue to use this piece after you've run out of string, as long as you just go get more string. This is also from 7 to 97, and this can make up to 12 bracelets. And I still know how to do this one too, so they're pretty fun. And then next up we have some artist materials. So this is ages 4 and up. It's just some watercolors. It comes with 12 cakes, awesome quality paints. It comes with a brush as well. And yeah, different types of yellows and greens and blues and reds, all that good stuff. And then we have Colored pencils. These don't have an age limit on them, so you can give them to your newborn if you wanted to. I wouldn't recommend it. These are triangular shaped, so they're nice for small hands. Awesome first colored pencil set for your child that's getting ready to be an artist. It's nice because on the back you can write your name on there, and you can try to keep this set or the packaging and put it in there. Awesome set. And if you need something to use your colored pencils on, we have a sketch pad. This comes with 90 sheets. It's awesome quality paper. It's super smooth. Awesome for beginner artists that just are using like crayons or markers or pencils. No tooth on there to get yourself caught up with anything. And then talking about crayons, we have these awesome gel crayons. These are super cool. What sets them apart from crayons is that they're made of gel, so they're super sheer and thin and easy to use. They roll on the paper. And I also tested these underneath our black light, and they are a bit reactive to the black light, especially this yellow. So that's also cool. And these are for ages 3 and up. They're super fat and have like a little grip on them too. So they're easy for little hands. These wax crayons from Faber Castell as well. These are awesome for little hands. They're 3 and up, and these are non-toxic. They're made with beeswax, so that's pretty awesome. They're also triangular shaped, good for little tiny hands, grip wise. We have 2 sets. We have one with 12 and one with 24. And they're awesome for like your first day of school.
Nice carrier.
Yeah. Can whip it around. It's nice. Your kid can just pretend they have like a little briefcase filled with awesome crayons. We also have new oil pastels in. These are 5 and up. These are different from crayons because they're obviously made with oil instead of wax. They are awesome for blending. You can use like a scratch through technique with these, rubbings, all that good stuff. And it comes with 12 in the pack. These are like a hexagon shape, so these are also easy for children to use. They're not going to slip out of your kid's hand. And then we also have a watercolor pad. This comes with 15 sheets, and the paper is really awesome quality. It's super thick. It's not going to disintegrate once your child starts adding a bunch of water to it. And yeah, these are really fun. And next up, we have a Learn to Paint set. This is really cool. It's ages 5 and up. It's a 17-piece set. It comes with a variety of brushes. It comes with a large, flat, angled, filbert, round, and fine. And 8 paints and a mixing set too, as well as like some nice paper to use your paints on. This is awesome for your child who's interested in starting to paint. These paints are great too. There it goes. There it shows you the brushes it has, and the paints, and the palette paper too as well. And next up we have a couple of cool painting kits, rock painting kits to be specific. This one is a painting dot kit. It comes with some transfers, and then you can paint right on top of the transfers. Comes with a couple of brushes, some paints, and the rocks themselves. and some stickers that you can put on the rocks in case you just like put them somewhere. People can post them on the internet. This is super fun. Fun starter kit for rock painting. This one gives you some more freedom of creativity. It's a glow-in-the-dark rock kit, so if you put this in your garden and they'll glow overnight. It's pretty cute. It shows some examples. There's one lightning bug, and then like some jellyfish, star and moon. It comes with glow-in-the-dark paint, some regular paints, and a couple of paintbrushes as well, and the rocks too, so you don't have to go find your own. And then lastly, we have this fashion studio kit. This is for ages 9 and up, but it does come with pins inside, so that's to your discretion as the parent. It's really cool. It comes with the mannequin, fabric swatches, scissors, bows and ribbons, planning pad that has the actual mannequin on it already. So you can plan out your outfits before you actually go ahead and make them. This is an awesome kit. I wish I had it when I was younger too. So if your child really likes dressing themselves up in the morning, this might be a good idea to introduce them to, because you may have the next fashion designer on your hands. And that's all we have from Faber Castell, Creativity for Kids. Thank you for watching. It's been real.